Hi, I am at my magic place, and I've really been into humming as a form of self-care. And so I just have been humming a tune that the shaman used to sing when we were going on journeys. I'm sure I don't have it right, but humming in general is great. Hum along if you like. And it may change from the shamanic thing just to something else, but just join me in humming. I have found it incredibly therapeutic. birds have come with their own song. And I'm trying to listen to their song and feel what they're saying. I've begun listening to birds in different ways. I've been trying to feel what they're saying. I feel like they're responding to my energy. I could be making that up, but that's the way it feels to me. Of course, as soon as I say that, I feel they're talking stop to me, to each other, but I think they like the humming. I think I'm going to bring my attention. I'm sitting on a beautiful rock. I think I'm going to bring my focus up to this beautiful tree, which is helping me stand up. I'm going to touch the tree with my receiving hand, my left hand. Oh, I like holding on to this globular. Now it's just turned into an instinctual deep breath in my nose and out my mouth. Oh wow, I can feel this tree working with the other tree across from it. Yes, you can see it in this frame, and that stump on the bottom is working too, its roots. It has moss on it. I can feel its roots because my roots are completely grounded right now into these roots. It feels amazing. I feel so grateful to be let into this world of roots, this connective neuronet. They've connected to me. I didn't even have to reach out my roots, even though my roots are out now. Like they kind of came up to me and were like, hi, come out and play. Thank you, trees. Thank you so much. The trees are working in a figure eight fashion, and they're letting their figure eight between each other include me. And that is beyond words. I know that you can transmit energy through video. That is my intention. To transmit this beautiful, radiant, high vibration energy. My hand actually feels like it's a part of the tree now. It's like there's an electrical hookup happening with me and the tree. I may have to hold my heart point too. If the camera view shifted in a weird way, I apologize. I'm just using my heart hookup point, which is about 3 inches above my nipple, about 1 inch down from my collarbone. In that line, you can feel it, you can hook into it. There I am. So I've now gone into a heart hookup with the tree. With 2 trees, a rock, and a stump. We are all in this figure eight motion together. Out And now other trees have joined us from the sides. I can now see this beautiful, it's joining in a center, but I'm not sure where that center is. I just know that there's this beautiful flow of energy happening, and I'm in it, and I'm loving it. The rock feels warm to me. It's as if my feet are literally in the rock, like it feels like a sponge. I totally didn't expect this. See? Just go in doing something like, hey, why don't I try this? And now I'm in a deep electrical hookup with trees and rocks. Wow, it feels so good. It's so strong. Ooh. The vibration is really high. It's like making me shake a little bit. But it's okay, I'm safe. Just talking, just letting you know, trees and rocks, I am with you, and I feel the sun energy. Wow, I am feeling so many energies from the heavens and the earth and from like elementals and cosmic beings. I know this sounds really weird. But it's like the birds, they're singing, they're talking. It's almost like a gateway. And these rocks and trees that I'm connected with are like antennas to the beautiful song and singing of the earth and the cosmos. I just feel pure love and light. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Who would believe, because I just can hear the cars coming where I drive by. It's like a shortcut. If you live in Riften or Rosendale, this can be a shortcut to get into New Paltz. And who would know, there's a beautiful field behind me. I think there's a bee in my hair. That's okay. Be free. Go off and propagate. Your species is in danger. Go mate. Okay, the trees and rocks are telling me the intensity of this like moment, or I would say healing session that they just gave me or allowed me to be a part of. Like, it's still there, but it's over. Like, I can open my eyes now. I can let go of the tree. They're saying like, okay, you're done. What time is it? Okay, so I was way out of it. The last time I looked, it was 8 minutes. Wow, that was a great meditation. That was a great healing session with the tree. I thank you. I'm gonna put the phone down so I can do a double thank you with my hands. Thank you so much. Thank you, rock. Thank you, trees. Thank you, birds. Thank you to all the energies that came to help me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow. I'm literally hugging a tree, and I'm sure people can see me, but that's not my problem or a care. This is my sacred place. Let me show it to you. And this is my sacred rock. You see that indent right there? That is where your bum fits perfectly. That is where my bum fits perfectly. Wow. I am vibrating. I highly suggest that to anyone Oh my God, find yourself a rock, a tree, anything. This went into that tree that I'm pointing to right now. That tree got involved. I was holding on to this guy, then that guy and the stump, and then this guy got involved. And it's like a dowsing stick fell and is cradling this tree and the rock that I sit on. This is magic. This is self-care. This is nature, healing. Wow. My feet feel different. Wow. Thank you. 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 So beautiful. I give thanks to you. Thank you so much for your strength and energy and for channeling the roots to me. That was amazing. That was so amazing. It started as a humming session and became I would call that like, see, I'm trying to get into my dip now. Perfection. I have no words for what just happened. I could feel it, but I could also see the energy of like the figure eights meeting, and when the other trees that were horizontal to me got involved, and the rock, it became like this. I can see it in my head. I don't know if it's an octagon or it seemed like maybe it was 5 points meeting together. There was definitely some triangle. There was crossing over. I can't really describe it. Here's my beautiful little red car. Valkyrie. Now I'm just sort of talking because, and for anyone who's following this, like the journey's not over for me, but I am just recording this continuously. Did you see that butterfly go by? Oh, wow. I just want to share with you the incredible awe and grace I am feeling at being able to know the majesty and the incredibleness and the strength of nature, the earth and the universe. When you tap in, it is just so unbelievably powerful, and it gives you what you need. That energy, when it was flowing through me, I knew that it was giving me what I needed. I knew it was giving me. Wow. Wow. All right, well, I'm sure I'll write about that, and I'll share this video, or I am going to share this video. For anyone who has questions, feel free to message me on my website, Tony&Tina.net or Christina'sEnergyCenter.com. I'm laughing because after this like incredible grounded organic experience, I'm advertising my websites. Oh boy, hey, you never know. If you've listened this long, you might be interested in that. All right. Love and light to everybody. Bye.